Check out this Honda 2012 Pilot LX. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include 7 speakers, AM/FM radio, AM/FM CD audio system, CD player, MP3 decoder, radio data system, air conditioning, rear air conditioning and rear window defroster. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.